Good day, everyone. We are Group 1 and we're gonna discuss the electrical safety. Electrical safety is a system of an organizational measures and technical means to prevent harmful and dangerous effects on workers from electric current, electromagnetic fields, and static electricity.
Do's. Treat every electrical device like it is energized, even if it does not look like it is plugged in or operational. Second, unplug appliances before performing any service of repair on them. Third, when working on electrical devices, only use tools that have official non-conducting handles. Third, try to limit the use of electrical equipments in rooms that are very cold or have a lot of condensation. And when handling electrical equipment, make sure your hands are dry. Next is, if you spill any kind of liquid on electrical equipment, first, immediate shut off power to the equipment via the main switch or circuit breaker, and then unplug the equipment itself. Next, keep all electrical circuit contact points enclosed. Lastly, finally, if you are able to work on electrical equipment with one hand while the other hand is out of the way at your side or in your pocket, to minimize the chance of current passing through your chest through a spark or accidental charge occur.
Don'ts. First and foremost, do not touch active electrical circuits. Second, never touch electrical equipment when any part of your body is wet. That includes fair amounts of perspiration. Third, do not store liquids of any sort near electrical equipment. Fourth is, if a person comes into contact with an energized electrical conductor, do not touch the equipment, its cord, or the person affected, because charge may pass you. Instead, shut down the main power source via the circuit breaker and then plug the equipment using a leather belt. Do not wear metal of any sort if you are working on electrical equipment. And also last, do not try to poke, probe, or fix electrical equipment with objects like pencils or rulers, because the metal in them can serve as a form of conductor.
Good day everyone, my name is Ronda Bangban Jr. and I present to you about safety precautions when working with electricity. So number 1, avoid water at all times when working with electricity. And never touch or try to repair any electrical equipments or circuits with hands. It increases the conductivity of the electric current. Number 2, never use equipment with air, with fray, cords, damaged insulations, or broken plugs. And number 3, if you are working on any receptacle at your home, then always turn off the mains. It is also a good idea to put up a sign on the service panel so that anybody turn the main switch on by accident. Number 4, always use insulated tools while working. And number 5, so electrical hazards includes exposed, energized parts and guarded electrical equipments, which may become energized unexpectedly. Such equipments always carries warnings signs like shock rays. Always be observant of such signs and follow the safety rules established by the electrical code followed by the country you are in. So number 6, always use appropriate insulated rubbers, gloves, and goggles while working on any branch of circuits or any other electrical circuits. Next, number 7, never try repairing energized equipments. Always check that it is de-energized first by using a tester. When electrical testers touches a live or a hot wires, the bulbs inside the testers lights up, showing that an electrical current is flowing through the electrical testers before proceeding with your works. So next one is never use an aluminum or steel ladder if you are working on any receptacles at high in your home. And an electrical surge will ground you, and the whole electric current will pass through your body. Use a bamboo, wooden, or fiberglass leather instead of. Then next, number 9, know the wire code of your country. So number 10, or the last one, is always check all your GFCIs once a month. A GFCI, or known as the ground fault current interrupter, is RCD, or the residual current device. They have become very common in modern homes, especially damp areas like the bathrooms and kitchens, as they help avoid electrical shock hazards. It is designed to disconnect quickly enough to avoid any injuries caused by other currents or the short circuit faults.
Emergency. It indicates green color. These signs are of square or rectangular shape. Green background with white image. Displayed on emergency exit, escape routes, first aid kits. 2. Mandatory. It indicates blue color. These are round shaped, white or yellow images on a blue background. Instruct wash hands, wear safety harness or glasses. 3. Warning. It indicates yellow color. Triangular shaped signs with black edging. and black image on a yellow background. These give warning of shocks, magnetic fields, and etc. And lastly, the prohibition. It indicates red color. Round shape having a black image on a white background with a red edging and a red diagonal line. These signals instructions are like do not touch, do not enter, have no access, no use of mobile, and etc.
Proper methods for plugging and unplugging. First is ensure hands are dry. Second is never pull the plug out by the cord. Third, handle cords and equipment with insulting protective equipment when the cord connector is wet. Lastly is secure locking tight connectors after making connection.